Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Motorcycle Underglow is probably one of the most sought-after motorcycle accessories for riders who want to enhance their bike's look and visibility, adding a cool and customized touch to their ride. In this video, we will explore what makes a great Underglow kit, the different types available, and what to look for when choosing one that's right for you, helping you make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. Number 5. DITRIO M12R Motorcycle LED Kit. This kit is designed to withstand the harsh conditions motorcycles face. It's built to last, providing reliable, vibrant lighting for your rides. It boasts incredibly bright LEDs, exceeding the brightness of standard kits. Experience a significant improvement in visibility. With high-capacity components, it ensures sufficient power even when expanding the lighting setup. It's ready to handle anything you throw at it. This kit offers 2 additional blinking brake light styles for increased visibility and safety. Stand out from the crowd and enhance your safety. The built-in microphone reacts to your music's rhythm, creating a dynamic and visually stunning light show. Enjoy a synchronized light show to your favorite tunes. Upgrade your motorcycle's lighting with the DITRIO M12R. It's the perfect blend of performance, safety, and style. What we like. It prioritizes quality and reliability, even under harsh conditions. Its LEDs offer maximum brightness, exceeding others. If you need a kit that can handle extra lights in demanding situations, this is the one for you. What people say. So many options. I kept changing my mind, or trying new things. Made it a weekend project and I'm pleased with how it turned out. I actually had more lights than I probably needed, but I ended up using them all since I paid for them. I added the extras to foot pegs and underneath the body, and on the V-frame, but they're not connected. However, if any case I want to be brighter or more noticeable, I can just connect the clips as the lights are already in place. The light kit was super easy to install and works very well. It is bright, easy to use, and looks really good. I like that it came with a kill switch. It sets my mind at ease knowing it won't drain my battery. The adhesive strips aren't 3M but stick very well. Super easy to install. The overall color and appearance of the lighting is top-notch. You can be very simple or get very creative with the lighting like I have with my lighting builds. It just works with no problems. Best part, does not interfere with other cheap kits on the market, has its one frequency and every kit it's unique to its module. Works in all weather conditions. Number 4. NINEO 8 PCS Motorcycle LED Kit. This kit will transform the look of your motorcycle. It's easy to install and offers a variety of lighting options. Control it from up to 40 feet away. Enjoy dazzling light shows wherever you ride at night. It responds quickly to commands. Cycle through colors, modes, and even brake lights with ease. The lights connect in series, making installation a breeze. Secure them with the included 3M adhesive. These lights are waterproof and feature a red brake light setting for increased safety. Ride with confidence, even in the rain. It fits a wide range of vehicles, from motorcycles and scooters to ATVs and UTVs. It's the perfect upgrade for any ride. We're here to help. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime technical support. What we like. This kit boasts an ultra-long-range remote for convenient control. It offers quick response times for seamless lighting changes. If ease of use and a simple setup are your priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to install and easy to use. Plug it into any 12V battery and you will see it glow. The brightness and clarity of these LEDs are exceptional, and the addition of the brake light feature adds a critical layer of safety that's indispensable for night riding. The LEDs not only enhanced the visual appeal of my bike but also significantly improved visibility. Number 3. SUNPIE Motorcycle RGB LED Kit. It features brake light functions for increased safety and visibility at night. When you brake, it illuminates in bright red, automatically returning to the previous mode when released. Made from high-quality 50/50 SMD material with 186 RGB LEDs, it improves visibility to other drivers. Enjoy millions of colors and 29 dazzling modes to customize your bike's look. Control it via app, dual remotes, or even voice commands. Easily adjust brightness, speed, and choose from various modes like gradient, strobe, or static. A kill switch connects to the control unit, and the additional switch wire lets you individually control the lights, protecting your battery and the lights themselves. It's compatible with a wide range of motorcycles, including Harley-Davidson, Honda, and many more, thanks to its DC 12V power supply. What we like. It offers app and dual remote control for versatile customization. The vibrant colors and dazzling modes make it perfect for personalization. If you value extensive control options and safety features, this is the kit for you. What people say. Hook up to the battery, red to red, black to black, and you're good to go. Hardest part is just running the wires throughout the bike, but that's not exactly something that can be improved upon. These lights was installed on a 2022 Honda Shadow Aero, and all I can say is wow. The installation was easy and they used 3M tape to adhere to the bike. The remotes and phone app work great and makes it easy to control the lights. Item was exactly as described. Easy installation. Number 2. 8PCS Motorcycle RGB LED Light Kit. This kit will transform the look of your motorcycle with vibrant, customizable lighting. It's easy to install and offers multiple control options for a personalized experience. These lights boast 96 high-brightness LEDs, providing an incredibly bright and colorful underglow. They also feature unique turn signal and brake light functions for enhanced safety. Control them via the app, or use one of the 2 included remotes. You can adjust colors, brightness, and even synchronize them to your music. The integrated turn signals and brake lights add an extra layer of safety to your rides. They'll alert other drivers to your intentions. These flexible strips are easy to install using the included 3M adhesive. They're compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from motorcycles to cars. The kit includes 8 LED strips in various sizes, 2 remotes, extension cables, a controller, and spare fuses. Everything you need for a complete installation. What we like. This kit features unique turn signal and brake light functions for enhanced safety. It offers multiple control methods for personalized lighting. If you prioritize safety and want a highly customizable experience, this is the ideal option. What people say. They looked so damn good and she was blown away by how good they looked. So, of course, I had to buy a set for my Suzuki Boulevard M90. I've had other lights with the brake feature, extremely important to me. But these include turn signal flashing as well, and I thought this feature is a great upgrade. Once they're set up, they work great and make me feel much safer on the roads at night. Very bright, sticky, plenty of extensions and extra strips for later. Durable enough to sit next to the engine for an hour-long ride without taking any damage. Number 1. Motorcycle LED Light Kit. This kit will transform your motorcycle's look with vibrant, customizable lighting. It's easy to install and offers multiple control options for a personalized experience. With 144 bright LEDs and 16 million colors, it shines brightly at night. Enjoy 29 dazzling modes, including flashing, breathing, and music sync, to make a statement. Control the lights effortlessly with the Bluetooth app or dual RF remotes. Adjust brightness, speed, and choose from various preset modes or create your own. It includes brake and turn signal functions for increased visibility and safety. When you brake, they illuminate brightly in red, and the turn signals flash amber. The kit is designed for easy installation with strong adhesive. The flexible strips can be easily bent and cut to fit your motorcycle. Plus, it's waterproof for all-weather use. This kit is compatible with a wide range of motorcycles and vehicles. Enjoy enhanced style and safety on the road. What we like. This kit shines with its high-brightness LEDs and offers a wide array of colors and modes. It provides convenient app and dual remote control. If you want vibrant, customizable lighting with added safety features, this is a great choice. What people say. I used 18 out of the 20 strips. I also chose this kit because it offers the turn signal and brake light feature. Being that my bike does not have rear turn signals, I figured that the turn signal feature will help people see me when I ride. I did equal size strips on both sides of the bike, left side, right side, 2 in the front wheel fender, 4 under the gas tank, 4 on the bottom frame, 2 under the oil tank, 4 on the rear swing arm, 2 in the rear fender. The adhesive works well and the wires are good quality. They function as they should and very easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.